By eliminating y from the equations x plus y is equal to 2 and x squared plus xy minus y squared is equal to negative 1, show that x squared minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now it says we need to use elimination, but we don't actually have to use elimination, we need to use substitution. But we need to set y equal to the subject, so y is a subject, and then we need to substitute y into the quadratic, essentially. That's what we need to do. So we know that y is equal to 2 minus x, so then we sub that into the quadratic, so x squared plus xy, so plus x brackets 2 minus x, minus 2 minus x all squared is equal to negative 1. Alright, then what we need to do is x squared plus 2x minus x squared. Okay, then essentially we do minus brackets 4, okay, minus 4x plus x squared is equal to negative 1. Okay, now we've expanded it and we've put it inside the brackets. So that's equal to x squared plus 2x minus x squared minus 4 plus 4x minus x squared is equal to negative 1. Okay, now the x squareds cancel out, so we essentially get minus x squared plus 6x, and then what do we get as the number? We get minus 4 is equal to negative 1, and then that's equal to minus x squared plus 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. Multiply that by negative 1. We get x squared minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your answer to part A done. Okay, now we need to show that x and y are given in the form a plus or minus b root x, okay, where a and b are integers. So obviously we need to use a quadratic formula to solve this. So we do negative b, so negative brackets negative 6 plus or minus the square root of b squared, negative 6 squared, minus 4ac, so 4 times 1 times 3, all over 2 times 1. Okay. Now this is the value for x. Okay. And if you put that in your calculator, you get 3 plus or minus root 6. Okay. So what do we need to do? We know that x is equal to 3 plus or minus root 6 now. Okay. So essentially, we need to find y. We know that x plus y is equal to 2. So that means 2 minus x is equal to y. So 2 minus 3 plus or minus root 6 is equal to y. So that means 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1. Hence, y is equal to negative 1 plus or minus root 6. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your answer.